Welcome to Prospector, your one-stop prospecting tool. Let's start from a broad overview to detailed insights. You can identify properties by key districts, projects, and units with the highest annualized growth, enabling targeted sales, refinancing, and unlock investment opportunities. Our proprietary proxy price tool provides precise price valuations, delivering annualized equity gain calculations by comparing the latest transaction data with current property sales insights. Utilize advanced filtering options to refine searches by property ranking, annualized growth, estimated gain, time since last transaction, size by square feet, latest transaction, and median proxy price to the nearest MRT station and the nearest schools, ensuring the most relevant and tailored insights for better prospecting decisions. Lastly, easily download the mailing list and reach out to your new prospects.